Well, welcome everyone to the Made by Hand shop. I'm Bobby Sharp. This is actually a supplement video to the installation of this dust port kit for the 7 1/4 inch corded circular saw offered by DeWalt. This kit is actually the DWE 575 DC. Now, I've had a lot of questions in the comments about whether or not this kit would fit other saws that DeWalt offers. Recently, I was in one of the big box stores and I was in the tool section and ran across some of the DeWalt battery saws that they offer. One of the saws is pictured here, and you can compare that to my saw, the corded version. If you'll notice, the guard looks exactly the same on the battery version. That is actually the DCS 570. Now, after seeing this, I went on Amazon to see if this dust port was being offered again. Right after I uploaded the original video for the install of this dust port on this saw, it went unavailable on Amazon. I scrolled down to the reviews of the dust port and found out that the 570 saw is in fact the same exact guard as this DWE 575 SB saw that I own. There is one caveat to installing this kit on the 570, and it has to do with this screw in the back. The battery lives right here, and the molded part that actually holds the battery is a little bit in the way of this particular screw. Now, the entire kit will work as far as the new lever for the guard, the two halves, and the screws, but you may have to use a small bit and a pair of vice grips to install this screw when installing the port on the saw. But it will fit, and I know this because the people have said once they got the screw in, it worked perfect. The other question about this particular dust port is where it can be purchased. I purchased mine off of Amazon. In the description of this video, I've put several links to where you can purchase this kit, and it should be around $11 to $12 according to where you get it. As always, I really appreciate you watching. If you would, check out some of the other videos on my YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook page that is just simply Bobby Sharp. Please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate that. The channel has seen a big growth spurt here in the past couple of months, and that is greatly due because of you, the viewer, and I really appreciate that. So as always, be all you can be, but best of all, be sharp. Stay safe in your shop, everyone.